Here's the video for the 2024 LYRIQ Sport 2 all-wheel drive with a range of 307. Dual panel panoramic sunroof with power SUNSHADE. The front seats are ventilated and heated. This controls the lumbar and massage. Speakers in the headrest. Private compartment. Wireless charging. Super Cruise. The steering wheel is heated. Upgraded 19.2 kilowatt charger, which is faster. And there you have it for the 2024 LYRIQ Sport 2 all-wheel drive.